Hi, it's Chris here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to implement a color picker in SwiftUI. It's actually really simple. So here I have a basic Xcode project, brand new project, nothing special about it. I am going to remove the image and the text, and we are going to use the color picker component. To be honest, I didn't even know that this was a thing. So here you can add a string as a call to action for what the user should do. So how about like that? The other thing you need is a binding to a color property. So we're going to create a state property up here, which is going to hold the selected color that the user selects, as well as an initial default color. So let's call this selected color, and we're going to default it to blue. And now we can set a binding to it. And just like that, if you take a look at the preview, we get this functionality. If you tap on it, you get a color picker. When you look at that, it's pretty full featured. You can get this for free. We barely had to do anything to get this functionality. Oh, and one quick thing, if you want to download the sample code for this, we've got it all in a single handy Xcode project. In fact, it contains sample code for all of the SwiftUI components so that you can learn from it or copy and paste the code into your own project. Just visit cwc.to/swiftui-kit. It's a free download. I'll leave it in the description below the video too. All right, now back to the tutorial. And after you select the color and you close it, that selected color will be in this state property. So why don't we put it into a rectangle just to show how to access it. And I'm going to set the foreground color to the selected color. So let's go and choose different color. And there you go. That's how easy it is to implement a color picker in SwiftUI. So for more SwiftUI tutorials, check out the playlist. And if you're brand new to iOS app development, just starting your journey, check out our 3-hour masterclass linked right on the screen as well. That's the perfect starting place for beginners. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.